Welcome to the House of Health and Wellness, where we keep it simple, healthy, and real. Whether you're here for inspiring wellness tips, healthy recipes, or practical ways to take care of your body and mind, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and join our growing community dedicated to living well every day. Now, let's dive in.
Meal prep can transform your mornings. Let's dive into 3 easy breakfast recipes you can whip up from scratch. First up, overnight oats. Just mix rolled oats with your favorite milk, add yogurt, and toss in some berries. Let it sit overnight, and you've got a delicious, nutritious breakfast ready to go. Next, try Veggie-Packed Egg Muffins. Whisk eggs, add chopped spinach, bell peppers, and cheese, then bake in a muffin tin. Perfect for a grab-and-go option. Lastly, make a smoothie pack. Blend bananas, spinach, and a scoop of protein, then freeze in bags. Just blend with your choice of milk in the morning. Simple, healthy, and saves you time. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel.